What's up, guys? What's going on? And welcome to a special unboxing. As you see, when this video started, there's a big brown box that's in my garage, and it got German writing on it. Now, for all my German followers, maybe you can translate what that says. I have no idea what any of that says, but I know it's German writing because this is a German package that I ordered probably about a month ago, and it finally just showed up, and I'm really excited to open it up and do an unboxing with you guys. I want to do an unboxing and some comparisons and just kind of show you guys what's up in this box, because I'm very happy about it. Let's just jump into it. Let's get into this box. Where's my knife? I got my knife. The first giveaway is Recaro. So, let's see what Recaros we got in here. Check them seats out. Alright guys, obviously as you can see from the video now, I got me a set, I got a Recaro pole position here. It's only one seat though, right? But anyway, let's get into it. Okay. So this is a Recaro Classic pole position, and there's a few things that I want to point out. You know, special ordered this. I ordered it with a Napa leather, so you can see that it's like a soft leather to it, and it has a really nice smell. And I wanted the checkered print insert because this is like the houndstooth inserts that would normally go in a Porsche. And the other thing about this is it has like red stitching. It has red stitching that goes through it, which is perfect. Alright guys, so as you see, we got a pole position. This is a Recaro pole position, and this is the Classic. And you know, they started coming with this new pattern, which is like this checkered pattern, which, you know, to me, I feel like it gives homage to the Porsche houndstooth pattern that they have, where you put in a classic Porsche. Yeah, I mean, when I saw this seat, like, I fell in love with it, and I thought it was the perfect seat to put inside of my Porsche, which, you know, I do have a 911 turbo, and that is becoming a classic. You know, that is on its way to becoming a classic Porsche, and I didn't want to get anything too new, too modern. So I thought that this was the perfect seat to go in there. You know, it got fine Napa leather, and I mean, it's a Recaro pole position, so what else could you ask for? I did want to do a comparison with another Recaro seat that I have, which was initially my first seat that I was going to go for, but then I ended up going with this. Let me show you. Alright guys, so you can see here I have another Recaro. This is also a pole position, and this is also the Classic. And this has the Pepita. This has the Pepita inserts. And you know, initially I always loved the Pepita inserts because, I mean, it just looks perfect in anything. But I thought for the turbo that, you know, with the red stitching and, like I said, the houndstooth look, I figured that seat would have been a better addition than this seat. So I ended up ordering this about a month ago, brand new from Germany, and you know, paying what they are retail. But then I found this online just a few days ago at a very stealable price that I just had to buy it. I kind of wanted them side by side because it was just ironic that I ran into this particular seat. But there's some notable differences that I'll bring the camera up close to show you. So if you look at both of these on camera, it's a little bit hard to see, but if I go closer, you can see that this leather is a lot smoother and, you know, more of a soft type leather. This is Napa leather. But if I come over here, you can see that this one is a little bit shinier, and it has more of that grit that leather normally has. So this is the leather is a little bit harder. You know, you look at that one, you look at that one, you can see a notable difference. And one of the things is, this is the American Recaro company makes this. I did find out that their leathers are a little bit different. This is the American leather for Recaro, and Germany uses the Napa leather, which I feel that's a little bit more refined and nicer for the Porsche. So you might ask yourself, well, you have this seat here, what are you gonna do with that? I figured this is gonna be a nice addition for the M3. And that I'm gonna save that for another video. I'm gonna actually save both of these installs for another video, but this video I just wanted to show you guys, introduce you guys to the pole positions and the two different types, Pepita, checkered, aka houndstooth. And I mean, they just look beautiful. Like, they are just beautiful seats. They're extremely comfortable, and can't wait to get them in their respectable cars. All right, guys, what's up? So, having a seat side by side, give a side by side comparison. I mean, you can see that both these seats look, equally amazing. To be honest with you, I don't really like one more than the other. Like I said, this checkered one that I ordered 4 weeks ago. I ordered this one 4 weeks ago. I feel like it would look better in the Porsche, because it does have red stitches, and if you've been following the Porsche is red. And then since I picked that up at a really good deal, I feel like the Pepita, it's just gonna set the M3 off 100%. So, both are gonna look really amazing in their respectable vehicles. But there's not really much you can say about it. It's Recaro quality. So, some of you guys may have heard that Recaro was supposed to be going out. Well, they did, or gonna. I haven't followed any further, but a few weeks ago, they filed bankruptcy, and a big company like Recaro filed bankruptcy. You kind of want to hold on to a piece of their legacy, because you don't really know where it's going to go. I mean, is a big company like that going to go out 100%? I highly doubt it, but whether it does or doesn't, I now have two pieces of their legacy, and it's great. It's great to actually have these seats, and actually going to be putting them in both my cars. And yeah, I can't wait. So guys, stay tuned. There'll be individual videos of each installation and getting them into each cars. But yeah, guys, hope you like this content. Hope you like these seats. Drop a comment below, if you have anything to say. But until next time, guys, peace. Thanks.